Do you want to boost your brain power and memory? Ever wondered how it could impact your daily life? In the professional world, a sharp mind and a strong memory are invaluable assets. They can enhance your productivity, ignite your creativity, and supercharge your problem-solving skills. Imagine being the one who always has the answer at the tip of their tongue, or the person who can juggle multiple tasks effortlessly. Sounds impressive, right? So let's delve into the 7 proven ways you can boost your brain power and memory. Firstly, a healthy diet and staying hydrated are key to maintaining brain health. The brain thrives on nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins found in foods like fish, nuts, berries, and leafy greens. Water, on the other hand, facilitates the delivery of these nutrients to the brain and helps flush out toxins. It's crucial to nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods and stay sufficiently hydrated for optimal brain function. Remember, your brain is what you eat and drink, so choose wisely. Secondly, regular exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. When you get active, your brain benefits in ways you might not expect. It can improve cognition, sharpen your memory, and even boost your mood. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing its function and promoting the growth of new neurons. So whether you're a fan of running, swimming, or even just taking a brisk walk, remember, exercise is a key ingredient to a healthy brain. Get moving to get your brain grooving. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's also when our brains consolidate what we've learned during the day, turning short-term memories into long-term ones. But when we skimp on sleep, it's our brains that pay the price. Sleep deprivation can lead to impaired memory and thought processes, and even reduce our ability to concentrate or make decisions. So, remember, a well-rested brain is a well-functioning one. Sleep tight for a bright mind. Fourthly, practice mindfulness and meditation for a calm and focused mind. These practices are not just about peace and tranquility, they're also about brain power. When we're mindful, we're in tune with our surroundings, and this attention to detail sharpens our cognitive abilities. Meditation, on the other hand, is like a workout for your brain. It improves memory, attention, and cognition by strengthening the brain's neural pathways. So take a moment each day to meditate and be mindful. Find your zen for a powerful brain. Fifthly, become a lifelong learner. Engaging in continuous learning and intellectual stimulation is a potent brain booster. Every time you learn something new, you're actually strengthening your brain. Like a muscle, your brain needs regular workouts to stay strong and sharp. By learning new skills, you're enhancing brain plasticity, which is the brain's ability to change and adapt. This, in turn, improves memory performance. So, whether it's picking up a new language or dabbling in quantum physics, every bit of learning counts. Keep learning to keep your brain burning. Sixthly, engage in regular social interactions. This is more than just a pleasant pastime. Socialization is a cognitive workout, stimulating your brain in unique ways. Conversations challenge us to think, respond, and engage on a deep level. This mental gymnastics helps keep our brains sharp and memory function strong. So whether it's a lively debate with friends, a stimulating book club meeting, or just a heartwarming chat with a loved one, embrace these opportunities. Stay social for a sharp mind. Lastly, avoid unhealthy habits. Engaging in smoking, consuming excessive alcohol, or relying heavily on caffeine can have detrimental effects on your brain health. These habits often lead to impaired cognition and memory, hampering your brain's overall performance. They create a cloud of toxins that inhibits the essential functions of your brain, obstructing the path to enhanced brain power and memory. To truly boost your cognitive abilities, it is crucial to eliminate these unhealthy habits. Ditch the vices for a wise mind. So, those were the 7 proven ways to boost your brain power and memory. From fueling your body with a healthy diet and staying hydrated, to engaging in regular exercise and getting enough sleep. Let's not forget the power of mindfulness and meditation, the importance of lifelong learning, and the value of social interaction. Lastly, avoid those unhealthy habits that can hinder your cognitive abilities. Remember, your brain is your most powerful tool, so take care of it and it will take care of you.